What's up YouTube? So today I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing a New Year's vision board party with my friends. They're in the front right now. I'm starting this vlog a little late. I was supposed to start it way earlier. But right now we're just eating and talking, and I'm finna show y'all everybody. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got printed out. Y'all say hey to my vlog. So I had ended up getting these, but they came in smaller than we expected. But it's a cute frame to like hang in your home. I got these plates to drink. That's so cute. So we all finished our vision boards, and we're gonna go around and show y'all our boards. I'll just show y'all why we put what we put on them.
Hey y'all. Alright, so basically my board kind of consists of like a lot of packages, more followers, and Shopify. I have a business, the clothing boutique. So basically this year I just want my business to succeed, you know, build my clientele and just live like the cute ass rich girl life, very peaceful life. So yeah, like it's kind of what it's giving, you know, keeping God first and just with my girls living like this luxury life. And yeah, my business succeeds. So you know, that's kind of what I'm focused on 2024. Hey y'all, it's K Dream Co. I'm a hairstylist in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and this is what my vision board consists of. Basically it's me becoming a content creator, me being rich off my craft, my career, love and my credit score, and me being successful, and me selling wigs, and me having a purpose, because I do have a purpose. In 2024, me and my girls, we locking in and we're not playing with y'all. Y'all don't know me now, y'all gonna know me in cute. Period. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Jasmine. Well, I'm Jazz. My vision board I did, basically it's explaining my future. I want to be a NICU nurse. I want a healthy relationship. I'm in my soft girl era this year. It says no longer feeling guilty for needing to put myself first. And that's something I'm making a priority. And I also have bloom where God plants you, period. Do nothing without God, and He orders our steps. And it says dream until it's reality, and that's what I'm gonna do. Period. And it's mine.
Hi, my name is Tatiana. My goals for 2024 are just to better my lash business, invest in a couple more things, work on being a better mom, I guess you could say, or growing mom knowledge, and focusing on traveling too.
Hey y'all, I'm Anaya, and my board so messed up. Maya, go first.
Hey y'all, my name is Maya. This is my vision board for 2024. You know, get into some content, maybe become a gym girl for real, you know. Yeah, like that. It's my year. Yeah. I'll travel. I want to travel, you know, self-love, the best love, and live my best life. Okay y'all, so this is my vision board. I have a little bit of everything. I want 100K followers. I want a G-Wagon. I want a Tesla. I'm gonna be rich off my graphics next year, period. With God, because I'm with God and God only. Depth free. Health is wealth because health is key. This is just my move for next year.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck.